SEG Fridge Demanufacturing Technology. Mobile Step 2 Plant. High Tech on Wheels. When new laws create new environmental standards, there's little chance that the fridge recycling sector can meet these new standards overnight. Significant investments are required, time-consuming licensing procedures have to be completed, and the necessary specialist know-how is often not available. But when it comes to complying with environmental standards, there can be no room for compromise. This is where SEG's mobile recycling technology comes into play. SEG offers reliable state-of-the-art mobile recycling plants that can be used in regions in which fridge recycling is starting to become established, but where the volumes of waste to be treated are still too small to justify treatment in a static recycling plant. SEG's mobile Step 2 plants for treating end-of-life fridge and freezer appliances are equipped with the same process modules as the company's stationary processing facilities. The only difference is their mobility, a fact that allows SEG's quality-assured RAL-compliant technology to be deployed quickly and easily there where it's needed most. The waste feeder crane, which forms part of the mobile facility, transfers the pre-treated appliances into the Step 2 plant. A gas-tight airlock transfer system ensures that the negative pressure within the plant is maintained without the loss of CFCs. Two shredders connected in series shred the fridge carcasses. Which then undergo further separation as they pass through the transport and materials separation system. The polyurethane flakes and chunks are initially collected in a silo before being transferred to a milling system that grinds the material into fine granules. The granules are conveyed via a set of cyclones into the thermal desorption units in which polyurethane polymer is degassed. This stage of the process is of major importance as it releases the CFCs trapped in the fine cells that make up the polyurethane matrix. This reduces the residual quantity of CFC in the PU granules to less than 0.2%, allowing the granules to be recycled and used as a secondary raw material, rather than having to undergo costly disposal as special waste. An overhead magnet extracts ferrous metal from the heavy fraction and deposits it in a container. The remaining mixed fraction of non-ferrous and plastic scrap is filled into big bags and taken to SEG's Central Materials Reprocessing Facility, where it's treated and refined to yield fractions of aluminium, copper and polystyrene granules. CFCs are released inside the plant at each stage of the Step 2 process. The air in the plant is therefore removed at numerous extraction points, collected, cleaned, and passed over a system of regenerable activated carbon filters. The downstream liquefaction unit liquefies the CFCs trapped by the battery of activated carbon filters. The CFCs are then fed to a collection tank and from there pumped into large storage drums. The display on the control unit enables the plant operator to check and control any individual part of the recycling process. Special instruments continuously monitor the plant's exhaust air stream. The entire process is controlled by a PLC system. The quantity of CFCs recovered is guaranteed to comply with all international quality standards. The whole Step 2 process is also certified with the RAL quality mark. SEG's mobile Step 2 processing plants are equally able to provide safe and reliable treatment of appliances that contain pentane-blown insulation foam. This is made possible by a mobile gas inerting concept specially developed by SEG. SEG, high-quality fridge demanufacturing technology, and a company committed to the environment.